Hi guys, we're in a car park. Nanny's visiting her friends. This is the boot of my car. Got a tarpaulin thing there just to cover over all the junk. I'm going to do one of these boats. I've done 2 already in the series and we've got 2 left. Cost me £1.99 each. 3D puzzle. It's that paper covered foam. That says 21 pieces. The last one said something like 22 pieces, but when we actually did it, it was only about 18 pieces. So I'm working down from the most number of pieces to the least. So we'll do the Santa Maria. If we can get it open. Come on. That's the instructions. So piece number 1 is that bit. I think they're they are numbered. It's a little bit windy. Quite a bit windy. Well, it's going to be different, getting wind noise on the phone doing one of these. Phone, camera, whatever. On the last one I did, I carefully put all these bits in the box and then kept picking the box up to read the instructions and dropping the bits out. I'm not sure if that bit's supposed to come right out or not. Yes, it is. And I think these are punched rather than laser cut. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.